Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and the topic of our today's lesson is greetings and farewells, the ты language. Hey, hi. Привет. Привет. Good morning. Well, this word is usually used when you address a group of people, for example, when you meet your relatives at the breakfast. Доброе утро. Доброе утро. How are you? What's up? Как у тебя дела? Как у тебя дела? Or the shortened version of this question, how are you? What's up? Как дела? Как дела? Good, fine. And you? Хорошо. Нормально. А у тебя? Хорошо. Нормально. А у тебя? What is your name? Well, this question in the T form, I guess, would usually be used towards kids. Как тебя зовут? Как тебя зовут? My name is Dima. And you? Меня зовут Дима. А тебя? Well, in this case, if a child answers to another child, he would use the T language. If the question was asked by an adult, he, of course, would use the вы language. Меня зовут Дима. А тебя? Bye, see ya. Пока. Пока. Another expression synonymous to the previous one, and this one is, I marked this one with an asterisk because it is not included in the A1 standard. Увидимся. Увидимся. Literally it means we'll see each other. It's a very commonly used expression. And another one, see you soon, literally meaning until meeting, until the next meeting. До встречи. До встречи. Bye, see ya. Another version of this expression, very, very common one. When we say see you to our friends, we add this word давай, which actually in this case means nothing really. Literally on its own it means let's, but here it means nothing, but yet we use it a lot. Давай, пока. Давай, пока. Как тебя зовут? What is your name? Хорошо, нормально. А у тебя? Good, fine. And you? До встречи. See you soon. Until meeting. Пока. Bye. See ya. Привет. Hey. Hi. Как у тебя дела? How are you? What's up? Как дела? How are you? What's up? Увидимся. See you soon. Доброе утро. Good morning. Давай, пока. Bye, see ya. Меня зовут Дима. А тебя? My name is Dima. And you?